Join us for a powerful International Women's Month edition of Saturday Morning Runnings on March 15 at 10 a.m. This week's topic, balancing ambition and personal life. Women Who Do It All, featuring special guest Roschelle Salmon, author, aviator, and mother, sharing her insights on navigating career, passion, and family. Jacqui, Shern's Max, and Lady D will keep the conversation engaging and unfiltered. Don't miss this inspiring discussion. Tune in live on LinkedIn, Denise Lady D Gomez Green, Instagram at Lady D Denise Gomez, Facebook Inside of the Zone, Facebook Lady D Denise Gomez, YouTube Inside of the Zone with Lady D. Save the date, spread the word, and be a part of this empowering conversation.